Hey guys, welcome to Ride Along with Dan again, and we're going to do this video about ventilation for your roof. And the best thing to do overall is to choose the ventilation that's best for your roof style. That can vary based on the type of roof. But there's two types of ventilation. There's intake ventilation and exhaust ventilation. We're on top of the roof, so we're going to start with exhaust ventilation with this video. The best, if you have a roof that has lots of ridgeline, the best type of ventilation is ridge vent. If you don't have this, then you've got other types. You've got, I'm just going to point them out first. You've got the turbines that spin. You got the box vents. These are both box vents. One, we tend to call one of them in roofing, we call this one, the one on the left, a turtle vent. We call this one a slant back, but they're both box vents. That's what they are. And then over on the other side over there, I was going to show you we're going to go down and look at this house, but there's a gable vent over there on that house. Those are exhaust vents also. So on your exhaust vent, you want to choose, there's also a power vent. We don't have one up here today, but those are the main types of exhaust vents that you'll see on a roof is ridge vent, turbine vents, box vents that could be called a turtle vent or a slant back, and then the gable. So let's go down and this roof has, it has gables. It has the ridge vent on that extension, but it also has gables. So we'll go take a walk around. Okay, so we're gonna do this walk around and look at what's down here. So this roof, it has a gable vent here. There's no soffit vents. It has another gable vent up here. This extension was put on the house afterwards, and it has soffit that's actually continuously vented. And it's got a bird nest right up there. He's got the soffit ventilation on both sides of his patio out here. He thought he had a gable vent here, but he doesn't. Okay, so we've covered what's on this roof. Just pointing out the types of ventilation that are there, and what you want to make sure you have is the right balance of intake to exhaust. The goal of ventilation is to keep your attic space as close to the temperature of the outside temperature as possible. And if you don't, two bad things can happen. Number one, it can affect your utility bill. Number two, it can cook your shingles if your roof gets too hot. So anyway, that's just kind of an introduction of all of that. We appreciate you. Have a great day.